in the first rays of the morning sun, or under the warm night lights, in the countryside or in the city. Our lives are illuminated by a series of ordinary yet beautiful things. Whether it's a carefully brewed cup of tea or a dinner shared with family, both are telling stories of different cultures. Today, we invite you to join the UK-China International Photography Competition. Capture and share these extraordinary moments in the daily rituals with your lens. This is not just a competition, but also a visual journey that crosses borders and connects souls. Let's explore, discover, and celebrate the simple beauties of life. Participate in the UK-China International Photography Competition and let your perspective be a window to the world.